Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add your Etsy products to Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Etsy website right here at etsy.com if you've not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. So this is going to be the home page written up right where we can get started. First things first, you're going to go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. If you do not have an account, just go and create an Etsy account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. So you have to log into the account where your products are and where your store is so that we can migrate to Shopify. So what is the next step? Next step is to go to Shopify, and we are going to follow the steps right here. We have the detailed instructions on the official Shopify help center on how you migrate from Etsy. So basically it's going to go and show us all the steps that we need to do, how we can get started copying our products, customers, and so on, and deciding how to move our Etsy shop. So we have the Shopify store migration app that we are going to go and be using. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and log into Shopify and get started with the Shopify migration app, where you can get started with uploading your CSV files with all your products, with your customers, and so on, and exporting your data list from Etsy and then importing them into Shopify. So what you can do is follow the steps on this page right here detailedly for yourself. You can find this article on Google by searching migrate from Etsy, and you can go ahead and take a look at how it's done. But basically that's how you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.